My 2017 Ford F150 with the 5-liter Mustang GT intake manifold, air raid MXP cold air intake with an Oz tune for the higher RPMs that the Mustang GT shifts at. And I just installed, instead of a muffler, complete muffler delete, I installed cherry bomb glass pack in place of the straight pipe to try to stop a little bit of drone, but it still seems to be pretty loud. I'm gonna go for a test ride. Muffler that I wanted to get, but it's $300. This little glass pack was 65 bucks, so I said I'll try this for now, and maybe I'll go to the Magnaflow